The earning potential of AI images is truly limitless, and in this video we'll show you how to take advantage of it. From image recognition to natural language processing, we'll explore how AI image is transforming the business world and opening up new opportunities for financial success. So stay tuned till the end of this video not to miss any important part.
Have you heard of Avatar? It's this fantastic avatar creator that allows you to make a 3D avatar of yourself just by using a selfie. And the best part is, you can customize your avatar to your heart's content. You can choose different body types, hairstyles, clothes and accessories to make it look unique and exactly how you want it. But wait, it gets even better. These avatars are fully rigged and game ready, which means they are easy to animate and can be used with significant animation software. Plus, Avatar offers easy integration into Web, Unity and Unreal applications, which is great for game developers and other creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. When you create your avatar, you even get a GLB file that makes it easy to integrate into your project. And the customization options are endless. You can make your avatar look exactly like you, or you can get creative and make it look completely different. The possibilities are endless, and you can use your avatar in any digital environment you can imagine. Plus, you can stay up to date with new features and supported apps and games through the Avatar newsletter. What's even more remarkable is that Avatar is entirely free to use, and they offer lots of helpful resources, including documentation, a Discord channel, and a LinkedIn page. So whether you're a seasoned game developer or just someone who wants a cool avatar to use online, Avatar is worth checking out. Avatar also offers easy integration into web and other applications, and the GLB file that is provided when an avatar is created makes the process seamless. This feature is a huge advantage for game developers and creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. Plus, the Avatar newsletter keeps users up to date with the latest features and supported apps and games. In addition to being a fantastic tool for game developers, Avatar is also an excellent way for people to represent themselves online. Users can create avatars that look just like them or that reflect their personality and style. This is especially important for people who spend a lot of time online, as it allows them to have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Now let's talk about In3D. This platform is also a fantastic option for creating photorealistic 3D avatars. Unlike Avatar, In3D uses your cell phone camera to create a 3D model of yourself. The process is quick and easy, and you can customize your avatar with various clothing and accessory options. You can also create groups with other users and communicate with them, which is excellent for people who want to connect with others in virtual space. The avatars created with In3D are also instantly available for integration into digital environments created with Unity, Unreal Engine 4 or 5. This is a huge advantage for game developers and other creators, as it makes it easy to use these avatars in their projects. And just like Avatar, In3D is an excellent way for people to represent themselves online and have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Overall, Avatar and In3D are fantastic tools for creating realistic and customizable avatars. Whether you're a game developer, content creator, or just someone who wants an excellent virtual representation of themselves, these platforms are definitely worth checking out. And the fact that they're both free to use is just the icing on the cake. Have you heard about Animal AI? It's the fantastic AI tool that allows you to turn your photos into portraits of animals created by artificial intelligence. It's an enjoyable and unique way to showcase your images. So the process is pretty simple. First, you get to choose from 40 different styles of animals, including popular options like cats, dogs, tigers, and unicorns, just to name a few. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even choose the Grinch. Once you've selected, you upload 10-20 images to train the AI. These images should include a mix of close-ups, medium shots, and full shots taken in different lighting conditions and with different facial expressions to get the best results. And the best part? Within 24 hours, you'll receive 120 HD quality animal portraits via email. You can share the link with your friends and family or keep it as a fun surprise. Plus, Animal AI donates all of its profits to reputable wildlife groups, so you're not only getting a fun experience, but also supporting a good cause. When uploading your photos, ensure they are most significant than 512 on 512 pixels and feature only one person. And to avoid any issues, be sure to steer clear of pictures that are nude, black and white, or taken without consent. And keep in mind that the AI-generated portraits may be unpredictable, so no refunds are offered. Animal AI is not only an entertaining tool, but it's also a great way to showcase your creativity and imagination. Imagine having a portrait of yourself as a tiger or unicorn. How cool would that be? The possibilities are truly endless. Another great thing about Animal AI is that you don't need to be an AI or computer science expert to use it. The user interface is simple and intuitive, and the process of uploading photos and receiving your portraits is straightforward. And if you do encounter any issues, the customer support team is always available to help. And as technology advances, the AI used by Animal AI is constantly improving, ensuring that the results you receive will only get better and better. So whether you're looking for a fun way to showcase your photos or simply looking for a unique and creative way to express yourself, Animal AI is the perfect tool for you. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your photos, head to Animal AI and try it out. All you need to do is agree to the terms of use and then upload your pictures via WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other similar service. And with just a one-time payment, you'll be on your way to creating your own animal portraits. Epic Avatar is a company that revolutionizes how people think about profile images. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Epic Avatar allows users to create their very own AI avatars from their photos. This is not just any ordinary avatar, but an AI-powered representation of yourself that is unique and unlike anything you've seen before. The process is simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is upload 15-20 photos of yourself, taken from different angles and without sunglasses, and Epic Avatar's AI algorithms will do the rest. These photos will be used to train the AI model and create up to 200 avatars that are based on your facial and body features, personal preferences, and other elements in the photos. The waiting time is around 24 hours, and once the process is completed, you will receive an email with a link to download your avatars. With these avatars, you can have fun and play around with your online presence. You can use them to personalize your social media profiles, prank your friends, or even use them as profile images in multiplayer games. The resulting avatars are not just your typical profile images. They are an expression of your individuality as interpreted by the AI, and they can be as quirky, funny, and weird as they come. Some users might even find that their avatars look nothing like them, but that's all part of the fun. It's like taking a peek into the mind of the AI and seeing how it interprets your personality. Epic Avatar offers a money-back guarantee for users who are not satisfied with the results, but most people find that the avatars are genuinely one of a kind. The company also provides tutorials and answers to frequently asked questions on its website to help users get the most out of the tool. The avatars created by Epic Avatar are not just for personal use. They can be used to personalize your social media profiles, to prank your friends, or as profile images in multiplayer games. The sky's the limit when it comes to using these avatars. David Grahovi and Václav Popušek are the co-founders of Epic Avatar, and they are based in Brno, Czech Republic. The company uses Prime Hammer technology and can be contacted via email or Instagram. Currently, there is no affiliate program in place, but the company is considering implementing one. In conclusion, Epic Avatar is a fascinating AI and graphics technology experiment. It offers users a chance to see themselves in a whole new light and to explore the limits of what is possible with AI. Whether you're looking for a fun new profile image or simply curious about the capabilities of AI, Epic Avatar is the perfect tool for you. So why not try it and join the future of profile images today? Have you heard about DrawAnyone.ai? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with isolated colors with sharp dark cosmic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. Draw Anyone AI also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with Draw Anyone AI are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by Draw Anyone AI are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile Company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin, and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Moorbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of Saint Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with Draw Anyone AI. Have you heard about Swallow, the artificial intelligence-based image recognition platform? It's the perfect solution for all pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. It's got 3 amazing apps: the dog scanner, the cat scanner, and the horse scanner. As you probably already know, pet owners often have no idea what breed their furry friends are. But with Swallow, you'll get accurate and specific information about your pet in seconds. And it's not just for pure breeds. The AI technology used in these apps is so advanced, it can identify mixed breeds too. The dog scanner and cat scanner apps have already been installed more than 13,700,000 times, and the company identifies an average of 1.9 million animals each month. That's pretty impressive. The horse scanner is a new addition to the product portfolio and is expected to receive just as much love as the other two. Swallow's ultimate goal is to achieve universal recognition of animals and increase knowledge about global biodiversity. That's why it has partnered with Snapchat, so users can now identify dog breeds directly from the Snapchat camera. So far, the feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive. They love the app's accuracy and ease of use. And with the new social feed feature, pet owners can share their discoveries with the community and connect with other pet owners. Sure, let me add a little more detail to make it even more enjoyable. Have you ever been to dog park and wondered what breed that cute pup playing with your dog is? Or have you ever seen a horse and wondered what breed it is or what its characteristics and traits are? Well, now you can find it out. With Swallow, you can identify any animal with just a few taps on your smartphone. It's that easy. Swallow's top-notch AI technology can identify a pet's breed in real time. This means you won't have to wait long to find out what breed your furry friend is. The app can identify mixed breeds, which can be a real challenge for even the most experienced pet owners. Not only is Swallow an accurate tool for identifying pet breeds, but it's also designed to be user-friendly. The app is simple to use and the interface is intuitive. This means that even those who are not tech-savvy can use the app with ease. Pet owners can also connect with other pet owners through the social feed feature. You can share your pet's breed information and photos and connect with other pet owners who have pets of the same breed. This is a great way to find out more about your pet's breed and connect with other pet owners who share your interests. Swallow is a fantastic solution for pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. With its 3 apps, Dog Scanner, Cat Scanner, and Host Scanner, you'll get accurate breeding information in seconds, and the social feed feature allows you to connect with other pet owners. It's the perfect tool for increasing global biodiversity knowledge and achieving universal animal recognition.